So a comprehensive hearing test is something that we take great pride in here at the LA Center for Hearing and Balance. Um, in order to do that, we first take a proper case history and ask relevant questions to the patient. Then we perform an otoscopic evaluation or otoscopy. We take a look in the ears and note any abnormalities and note our landmarks of the eardrum and the canal. After otoscopy is when we get them into the sound booth and we run a myriad of tests. The test battery starts with otoacoustic emissions, followed by tympanometry, which is like a pressure test, see how the eardrum moves under a pressure sweep. Acoustic reflexes, which is seeing how the reflex that protects us from loud noises, how it sets into effect in the presence of loud beeps that we're presenting on purpose to the patient. Then we do the hearing test. We start with a quick speech test to get a speech threshold for the patient, followed by pure tones across the speech spectrum, so from 250 to 8,000 hertz. And we do that ear specifically for each ear. After that, we do word recognition scoring, which we find the best level for the patient and then present a set of words to see how many they can get correct. Usually this involves masking the non-test ear so we can get ear-specific information. After that, we do bone conduction testing, which bypasses the outer and the middle ear, and it goes straight to the cochlea. And that's through a specific bone oscillator that we place on the patient. We may need to switch sides to see how they're doing on each side through bone conduction testing. After that test, we put everything together into a comprehensive report, which we then send to the primary care doctor, or most frequently, to the very talented doctors at the LA Center for Ear, Nose, Throat, Allergy.